Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we have a tutorial for this nail set. Super cute, super fun, perfect for Valentine's Day. Now I am the person getting my nails done, so if I use incorrect terms for any of these designs or techniques, it's because I am not the artist. Her information will be linked below. So we're starting off with the thumb. We are going in with a black gel polish and we are outlining these 3 circles. It's going to be like a blank space in between that, and there's going to be black polish all around that. So after she went in and freehand those circles, she cleaned them up. And now she will be adding the black polish. I will come in and out of the video and explain what's going on with each nail. Other than that, you guys can just enjoy the tutorial and watch what she's doing. Now we have moved on to the ring finger, and I call this an encased French tip because it's a French tip, but it is closed in by her adding the polish around the base of the nail. You'll see in a second how it looks. So I call it an encased French tip. I don't know if that's the technical term for it. And we are using the black gel polish again for this nail. Okay, so my pinky is pretty simple. It's just the dark burgundy color that we're using all over the nail. Right now we're just putting the base polish down. We'll get into the design later. We have moved on to the index finger, and we are using the burgundy color for this finger as well. And this one is really just a French tip. Okay, so these nails was done back during the Valentine's Day season. And right now she is doing my middle finger with different shapes and sizes of lips. So cute. So she's freehanding all of these lip drawings. This was actually my favorite nail of this set. Like, I just love the lips. It just reminded me of giving someone kisses. So moving on, she did a 3D cherry made out of builder gel, and then she colored the cherries the dark burgundy color that's on my nails. So she used a little acetone so that she can get them to the shape that she would like. She made one big circle and then one small circle. Now she is making the stem of the cherries out of this silver glittery polish, and she also is going to do a bunch of bows in this design, and the bows are made with this same color. So I basically have a bow on each nail aside from my middle finger where the lips are. And to add a little razzle dazzle to the nails, she added rhinestones everywhere that she saw fit. So in the middle of these circles, she put them in the middle of all of the bows that she made and just gave these nails a little bling. And this is how the nails came out. I absolutely love them. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.